Which is better for crypto exposure? Coinbase, IBIT, or MicroStrategy? If you want exposure to crypto, there are three very different approaches: Coinbase, IBIT, and MicroStrategy. Each serves a different purpose. Coinbase is an exchange platform. It lets you buy, sell, store, and transfer digital assets directly. The benefit is control and flexibility. You hold crypto yourself and you can move it on or off the platform. The downside is that performance depends on crypto market activity and trading volume, not just price. IBIT is a spot Bitcoin ETF. It tracks the price of Bitcoin without requiring you to hold crypto directly. It's regulated, easy to access through traditional brokerage accounts, and simple for long-term exposure. The trade-off is you don't own Bitcoin directly and can't move it or use it on-chain. MicroStrategy is a public company that holds large amounts of Bitcoin on its balance sheet. Buying the stock gives indirect exposure to Bitcoin plus company risk. Its price can move more aggressively than Bitcoin, both up and down. Because it's tied to business decisions, debt, and market sentiment, here's the key takeaway. Coinbase is best for active users who want direct control. IBIT is best for simple, regulated Bitcoin exposure. MicroStrategy is best for investors comfortable with higher volatility. There's no single best option. The right choice depends on whether you want ownership, simplicity, or leveraged exposure. And that's how these three crypto options actually compare.